Hi, it's SMALLSETTLER channel, and in this video I want to show you how light is important in miniature painting and how magically it can change your miniatures even if you are an amateur. I have seen several comments on my videos that only people who know how to draw or have artistic skills can do such painting. Well, in this video I want to show you how easy it is and how to overcome this struggle. Before we dive in, let me know in the comments, have you ever experimented with lighting when painting miniatures? What's your go-to technique? I would love to hear your ideas. Let's get started! Alright, here's the plan. I've got a bunch of miniatures, a trusty airbrush and some lighting ideas. I want to see how different lighting angles and colors affect the mood of the final piece. First up, I covered miniatures using black primer and then started to paint using my airbrush. First coat I did is underneath color. For cultists was chosen a warm brown one, so it would have a warm shade. It doesn't look too colorful by now, but don't worry, we just started. Then I've added a little bit warmer light to enhance color of their clothing, so after that you will see natural shading on your miniatures. After that, I have covered miniatures using bright red color. If it's look too simple, we can add more violet to the shades from the low angle, so it will add more color to the ropes and add even more shading. I think it will be better look with cold light, but while doing it I was thinking about it like an experiment and how it would be looking with warm colors too, so I've added violet shade after all to all of them. Now this is where things get really interesting. I wanted to try cold light like moonlight and next warm lamp light painted on different angles. By the way, I left a couple of them intact, so you could see the difference in the end. With this experiment, I want to encourage you to experiment on your own miniatures. Just change angles and colors and you will see the huge difference between low light and lightened up miniatures, especially if you have a huge amount of same miniatures. If you are enjoying this experiment so far, hit the like button. It really helps the channel and tells me you want to see more of these videos. After painting light, I finished my miniatures drawing details here and there, added skin tones, eyes, golden embroidery and black shoes. Okay, this has really changed everything. I especially like moonlight effect. Some of these effects turned out way cooler than I imagined. Each miniature tells a completely different story just based on how we painted the light. This just proves how powerful lighting is in miniature painting. So now I have to ask, which lighting effect was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see me try other experiments, maybe even UV reactive paints, make sure you are subscribed. More wild painting experiments coming soon. And if you made it this far, you are the best. Drop a fire emoji in the comments so I know you are part of the real miniature painting squad. See you next time!